4 new, ridiculously easy ways to treat gum disease at home. You don't have to be genius to figure this out. Gum disease, also known as gingivitis, is a common problem. Symptoms include persistent bad breath, red or swollen gums, receding gums, bleeding gums, and tooth becoming loose. If you don't treat this now, then eventually it could lead to periodontitis. The main cause of gum disease is poor oral hygiene, resulting in plaque buildup along the gum lines. Plaque builds up and over time hardens, turning into tartar, which worsens the condition. Other factors, such as genetic predisposition, hormonal changes, smoking, stress, poor nutrition, and diabetes can contribute to the problems. Here are some ways to treat gum disease at home. Number 1. Aloe vera. It has been studied and found to be beneficial in treating gum disease because of its anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Being antimicrobial, it is efficient in destroying bacteria. Massage your gums with aloe vera gel and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Do this 4 to 6 times in a day. Number 2. Oil pulling. It is another treatment which boasts antimicrobial properties. It helps strengthen teeth and gums, gets rid of bad breath, and reduces plaque. Swish 1 tablespoon of pure coconut oil around your mouth, making sure to reach every area. Do this for 15 to 20 minutes. Spit out and rinse your mouth with water. Repeat this process daily for 1 month to see great results. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. It is a powerful antibacterial agent that kills gum disease, causing bacteria, but also helps whiten teeth, which is an added bonus. Make sure you buy the 3% hydrogen peroxide bottles rather than the highly concentrated ones. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Rinse your mouth with the solution for 30 seconds and then spit out. Don't forget the basics, though. Regular toothbrushing and flossing are essential to maintaining decent teeth. The right nutrition also play a big part in maintaining proper oral hygiene. Okay, so you just learned 4 new, ridiculously easy ways to treat gum disease at home. Do you found these valuable so far? Do you feel like you will get better gains from this point forward? If so, my question to you: if you want to take your teeth remineralization to the next level, then this one product is head and shoulders above the rest. Teeth remineralizing powder. Why is it so special? Well, firstly, the ingredients are all natural, and guess what? It contains magnesium and calcium, which are one of the driving forces behind it all. No need to waste your time looking for calcium and magnesium supplements separately when you can get them in the same place at the same level. So, if this is something you think can benefit you, which I am confident it will, go to www.myteethwhiteningexperts.com/solution or click the link in the description below. If you found this video of some use to yourself, please share, like, comment, subscribe. That's everything for today. Thanks for watching.